We got it. I can't deal with the camera thing. I'm sorry. Oh, hello everybody. I'm really sorry. This is Raheem. I have some really, really bad news. Michael Jackson, he's dead. Michael. Michael. He's dead. Despite him touching little boys, Michael, and dangling little babies off of balconies, Michael. He was such a good guy. He did so much for the black or the white community. Michael. He was a hero. When he was walking on the moon. Michael. He walked on the moon. He was bad. He was bad. He beat it. He was a thriller. Michael. He's dead. He's dead. Michael. Why, Michael? Why? Oh well. Michael.